Home was never home until I went away. I am Renata, and I am Roma from Bulgaria. Roma are the largest ethnic minority in Europe, with a distinct language and culture. When I was 9, there was a boy who followed me home and kicked my backpack, breaking my favorite pencil case. This type of thing happened all the time, just because I'm Roma. It was hard to juggle two identities. I used to feel I was never enough for either. I felt like a ping pong ball. Neither wanted to accept me as their own. The question always was, who am I and who should I be? I put extra effort at school to prove myself. Due to my hard work, I got the opportunity to study in the USA through the Kennedy-Lugar Youth Exchange and Study program. Soon after I arrived, I wrote a research paper for the World Food Prize. I spoke on the importance of agriculture for the livelihood of the Roma people. I went to the conference and I saw the Bulgarian flag up there because of me. I felt a sense of belonging for the first time. I was proud. When I went back home, the environment around me didn't change, but I did. Before, I wouldn't tell people that I was Roma right away, but now I say it with pride. I am Roma and I am Bulgarian.